Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO for a boutique agency called CourseCREEK, and we specialize with a world-class team in all things learning management systems, instructional design, and helping you get your courses online. This composition is titled, How Do I Set Up My Permissions and Roles for Different Levels and Different Members of My Team Inside My Learning Management System? Well, all learning management systems give you the ability to do that. A learning management system could not function. It literally could not be a product that anybody would want to buy or that would ever sell if it didn't. So then the question really becomes which learning management system platform you want to work with. You're really going to be focusing on other issues that are not ubiquitous across all platforms. Any platform that you invest in will allow you to set up permissions, roles, and that sort of thing. And if you need any help with that, you can contact us at CourseCREEK and we'd be happy to show you how. We could even give you a Loom video with a little tutorial on how to do it. Thank you.